Hello everyone, today I'm going to be restoring these $8 Jordan 1 flights. I found these on OfferUp for $12, but I ended up getting them for only $8. Straight out of the box, these things were looking pretty beat up. The shoes had large dirt stains and the laces were dirty. Both shoes also had a massive front crease with heavy paint chipping. The soles were yellow and extremely dirty. Lastly, the paint on the uppers of the shoe were chipping. So let's get into restoring these things. The first thing I did was remove the laces and let them marinate in the cleaning solution. Then I inserted my shoe trees to reshape the toe box. I started the cleaning process by scrubbing the uppers. The goal here was to remove all dirt and stains. I did the same thing on the other shoe. Next, I scrubbed the midsoles. Finally, I began scrubbing the soles. Cleaning the soles took a lot of patience because of how dirty they were. I also used a Q-tip to remove trapped dirt in the crevices. Here's the difference between the shoes. I then repeated those steps on the other shoe. Next, I had to tackle the laces. After the solution loosened up any trapped dirt, I scrubbed them and wrung them out. I also gave them a quick drying. The insoles were cooked and needed a cleaning. After scrubbing them down, I used a vacuum and packing tape to remove any lint. Once the insoles were clean, I noticed some dirt and dust at the bottom of the shoe. To remove this, I simply took a dry cloth and brushed it out. The shoes were looking pretty clean, but to remove any odor and deep stains, I threw them and the laces in the laundry on a cold, quick cycle. A small detail that adds a lot to the value of your shoe is reflattening the laces. To do this, I steamed and ironed out the laces. Next, I needed to remove the large crease on the toe box. To do this, I stuffed the shoe with rags to push outwards on the toe box. I then covered the creased area with a damp cloth and began to iron it out. It's important to take small breaks between ironing to not burn or damage the shoe. After it was ironed, the crease was completely removed. While the crease was gone, there was still large paint chipping where it had been. To prepare the shoes for a repaint, I used acetone to remove the factory finish off the paint. I then took black leather paint and repainted the taped off area. Finally, I applied a matte finisher to round off the repaint. To remove the yellowing soles, I covered the soles in Insole Bright. I then covered the area in clear plastic wrap. I left the shoes out in the sun for 5 hours. When the 5 hours were up, I wiped down the soles with a cloth and they were fully white again. The last thing I had to do was repaint the uppers of the shoe. Then I finished the paint off with some matte finisher. I did a quick color match on the tongue and repainted over the cracked areas. The only thing left to do was to lace these shoes up and see the results. These shoes came out amazing. The front crease was completely removed. The dirty uppers and laces looked brand new. The yellowing and dirt on the soles were gone. These shoes are definitely a great addition to my closet for only $8. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more restoration videos.